Today we are here looking at factors. Our target is to understand what factors are and to identify factors. That means figure out what factors are. Now, usually when you're asked to find factors, you're given a number. In this case, we've got the number 12 and the factors of 12. Basically, factors, if you think facts like your math facts, your multiplication facts, it means what times what times what equals 12. And the factors are these two numbers here that we can multiply together to make, in this case, 12. The literal name for them is factors. So one way to think about factors is that to get factors, you have to arrange the dots. I'd have to arrange my dots up here into an array so that we have equal groups, because multiplication is all about equal groups. So let's see if we can get those into an array. So there's one way we can put 12 into an array. We've got three groups of 4 here. So 3 times 4, let me do a better color. 3 times 4, those are the factors. 3 and 4 are the factors. And over here in my multiplication chart, to get 12, one way I can do it is to do 3 times 4. 3 times 4. And this other one is just 4 times 3, right? So it's just the reverse. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12 because I can multiply them together. I can also make equal groups. 3 equal groups of 4 gives me 12. Can I do it another way? If I can make another rectangle, another array out of 12, I can find more factors for 12. So if I do it this way, 2 times 6, 2 groups of 6, 2 and 6 are also factors. And again, I've got the 6 and the 2 here, or the 2 and the 6. They multiply together to make 12. So those are factors. So in any multiplication problem, the numbers you're multiplying together are the factors. The factors get multiplied to make the product. 12 is our product here. Okay, is there another way to do this? If you're not sure, take a minute, pause the video, think about what is another way I can get to 12. Can I arrange these dots any other way? So hopefully you thought, oh, I can make one long column, one group of 12. So 1 and 12 are also factors of 12. It's kind of weird that 12 itself is a factor of 12, but since I can multiply 12 times 1, 12 and 1 are factors of 12. So let's put this all together. So when you're asked to find the factors of 12, factors of 12, it's all the things that can multiply together to make 12. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And what you would do if you were asked to find the factors of 12, you would just list them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Those are the factors of 12. It's just a list of all the numbers that could be in some sort of multiplication problem and come out with a product of 12. So 12's got a lot of factors, right? It's got 6 different factors. We'll do one more example. What about a number times like 11? How can I get to 11? Can I arrange this anyway? Stop the video again. Think about this. How could you arrange those dots to make an array, equal groups? So I could try something like we did with 12, but I've got this missing one, so I don't have equal groups, right? So I couldn't say 3 and 4 because that does not make that makes 11, not 12. So really the only way to do equal groups to get 11 is one group of 11, which is why on the multiplication chart you only see 11 right here, the 1 and the 11. You can scour the rest of this chart, Look all over, you won't find 11 anywhere else. So the only two factors of 11, are just 1 and 11. And by the way, that makes 11 prime because the only factors of 11 are 1 and 11 itself. So now you should have a good idea about factors. If any of this was not super clear, rewind this video, take a look again. Make sure you understand it before you leave.